would have a weekend, a long weekend trip to Graskop, Hazy View, that
Yeah,
is in
Mpumalanga.
Mpumalanga.
Yeah.
When it is expensive, it is 6,000 rands for the long weekend. That is transport, accommodation, breakfast and lunch and snacks during the day, because we are busy during the day.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
there's no
yeah.
time to eat. You just need some light snacks or some light finger lunch. All the activities are paid for
Yeah. On that
on that
6K.
and that when it's expensive.
Okay.
If we book early, it
Mm,
even
mm,
gets to 5.5, 5,000. But now when you book late, it depends on when people want to leave. It gets to that 5.6, 5 to 6,000, something like that. So you find that someone would regard it as expensive. The person needs to be there, but he says it's expensive. I've got that to an extent that people do not even go. Others, they do pay it, they complain, but when they come back, they even say, "Oh, actually, this thing is more expensive than what you charged us," because they see the value of it. They see, "Hore, you know what? This is what we really needed." And from